Hi, I'm Catherine Castro from Thrive Global CFO. We help entrepreneurs like you start and grow businesses in the Philippines without all the stress. Today, I want to share something important. Why an OPC or a one person corporation might be a better option for you than sole proprietorship. If you're starting a business or even just thinking about it, this will help you make a smart decision. So, stay with me. First, let's start with the basics. What is an OPC? An OPC, or a one person corporation, is a type of business that needs only one owner, you. You get to be the boss of your own company. But here's the cool part, your business is treated like a separate person under the law. Now, let's compare that to a sole proprietorship. With a sole proprietorship, you and your business are one and the same. That might sound simple, but it also means that you carry all the risks. With an OPC, the business is separate from you, and that brings a lot of advantages. So let me tell you about them. Here are some reasons why an OPC could be a better option for you. First, benefit, your personal money and properties are safer. So let's say your business owes money. If it's a sole proprietorship, they can take your personal savings to pay it back. But with an OPC, they can only touch the business money, not yours. That's a big relief, right? Benefit number two, you look more professional. An OPC sounds and looks more official. Banks, clients, and partners might take you more seriously. This can help you get better deals or even get business loans. Benefit number three, it's easier to grow your business. As an OPC, you can add more funds or hire people without as many limits. It's designed to help you businesses like you grow faster. And finally, benefit number four, you could save on taxes. Depending on how much your business earns, an OPC might offer better tax options for you. This means that you can keep more of your hard earned money. So these are just some of the benefits. But wait, there's more. So let me make this even clearer with this quick comparison. So in a sole proprietorship, you and your business are one and the same. This means more risk and fewer options for growth. In an OPC, your business stands on its own. You're protected and you have more room to grow. So if you're serious about building a strong and safe business, the OPC or one person corporation is usually the better choice. Now, I know that setting up an OPC might sound tricky, but don't worry, that's where we come in. At Tribe Global CFO, we have helped many entrepreneurs set up their OPCs easily and quickly. We'll guide you every step of the way so you can focus on your dreams and not the paperwork. If you want to learn more, let's talk. Click the link below to get a free consultation. We'll help you figure out if an OPC or a one person corporation is the right choice for you and how you can get started. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to help you build your dream business. See you soon. Bye.